Hi, this is Ava. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Stuck in Vermont. Today we're actually, authentically, stuck in Vermont. It's February the 16th, Friday, and we're here on Church Street yet again. Only today, there is so much snow that we can't get out of here. There's snow everywhere. Look at all that snow. There's so much snow they can't even clear the street. Let's talk to some other people who have been stuck in Vermont.
So tell me about what this experience has been like for you.
It's been excellent. It's been good for business. It's what we need. All of Vermont needed this.
So you run a, tell me about your business.
Arrowhead Construction.
And so you plow and
we plow, we maintain commercial and residential condo units. And we hope for this. It gives us a little overtime and a little bonus to the economy.
And so what's it been like from start to finish?
It's been good. Most people have been pretty understanding that we can't get to it. This is once every 10 years and it's not going to happen again. And it's been good.
And how much have you been sleeping?
I think I've gotten no more than 8 hours since it started, but total, but it's good.
I'm doing this where it's called Stuck in Vermont.
Yeah.
Would you say that authentically we are kind of stuck in Vermont at this moment?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's up for you guys. You guys are saving us.
Yeah, but this is where we'd rather be stuck. So.
Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Stuck in Vermont. We'll talk to you again real soon. And maybe you're going to be lucky enough to be stuck in Vermont one of these days. It's pretty cool. See ya. Bye.